Welcome, boys and girls, to another episode of PA, Phonics, and Fun. I am your host, Miss Keisha, and this is your teacher, Miss Leanne. Before we get started, you will need some objects that you can move around, something like buttons, and you will also need paper and pencil. Have fun!
Thanks, Miss Keisha. All right, boys and girls, welcome back. Today, we will continue talking about multisyllabic words with closed syllables. But first, let's warm up. I have some sight word cards that I want us to read together. You'll see that your sight word cards have words that you should probably have learned in school. If you haven't, though, it's okay. I want us to look at the cards, and what we will do is you will say the word, and I will echo. But first, why don't we practice with me saying the word first and you echoing? So let's try. I'll say it first. Today. Good job. Now for the next words, you say it first and I'll echo you. Right. Again. Each. Where. Came. Years. Could. Use. Which. Hurt. There. Right. Time. Done. And we're done with our sight words. Great job. How many did you get right? It sounded like you read a lot of them. Let's move into our lesson. For today's lesson, we will be focused on multisyllabic words. That means words with more than one syllable. We are also going to learn how to break those syllables apart to help us figure out how to read the words. Today we will be looking at closed vowels, which means that the vowel is followed by a consonant and will make the short vowel sound. Let's get started. To help us today, we will work with a mystery word. This is our mystery word. I want to know how many syllables are in this word. I also want to know what it says. So let's look at our chart to help us learn how to decode this word. First, fact. When we are talking about syllables, every syllable has a vowel sound. If there's no vowel sound, it's not a syllable. Keep that in mind. So first step to decoding this word is we need to find the vowels. What are my vowels again? Good thing I have this chart. My vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. But today, we're not going to worry about the letter Y because it's not usually found in closed vowel syllables. So A, E, I, O, U. Let's see if my mystery word has any vowels. Do you see any? Me too. I see an I and an E. Great job. Step 2, find the consonants. A consonant is any letter that's not a vowel. So that means that all of these other letters are consonants. Step 3, this is where it gets tricky. Divide between the consonants. Okay, that sounds easy. PR. What if I draw a line here between P and R? They're consonants, but can P by itself be a syllable? No, it can't. Remember our fact. every syllable has to have a vowel sound. There's no vowel, so it's not a syllable. Let's keep looking. N and C, those are two consonants side by side. Let's try this one. Is there a vowel on this side of the line? Yes. What about this side? Yes. Most likely, these are syllables. But wait, I see two S's together at the end. If I draw a line here, do I have another syllable? Why not? You're right, because there's no vowel over here with the S. And if there's no vowel, it can't be a syllable. So let's take that away. So how many syllables are my mystery word? 2. 1, 2. Let's go ahead and see if we can sound this out. Once again, I'm going to look at my vowel, because my vowel will tell me what sound I need to use when I decode. We are looking at closed syllables. That means that the vowel is followed by a consonant. If the vowel is followed by the consonant, it makes a short vowel sound. A, I, A. Say them with me. A, I, A. Good. Look over here though. Here's another example where the vowel is followed by the consonant, but there's no consonant in front of it. That's okay. As long as the consonant is after the vowel will make the short vowel sound. So let's come back and let's look. My I is followed by consonant N, so it will make the I sound. Sound this out with me. P, R, in, prin. Good. My vowel E is followed by a consonant S, so it will make the short E sound. Now another rule when we're sounding out, because this C has an E after it, it's going to say S. So let's use that when we sound it out. Try it with me. S, E, S, cess, princess, princess. Our mystery word is princess. Great job helping me sound that out. Let's try a few more. Look at these two words. Let's review our steps. Looking at this green word, what is the first thing I need to do to identify the number of syllables and also to decode and sound it out? Find the vowels. A and O are vowels. Then step 2, find the consonants. Then step 3, divide between the two consonants. This word is a 2-syllable word. Then to sound it out, I look to see if my vowel is followed by a consonant, and it is. So I know it makes the short A sound. Let's sound this syllable out. Lap, lap. Let's look at this syllable. The vowel O is followed by a P, so I know it makes the short A sound. Top, top. Lap, top, laptop. My word is laptop. Laptop is a 2-syllable word. Laptop. Great job. Let's do another one. Look at this one. Remind me, what was that first step? Yes, find the vowels. What are my vowels here? Great. E, E. What was that second step? Great. Find the consonants. And remember, any letter that is not a vowel is a consonant. So that means the rest of them. What was that third step? I heard it. Break between the consonants. How many syllables are in this word? 2. You're right. Let's sound it out now. Help me decode this word. My vowel, E, is followed by consonant, so it makes what sound? That's right. O, et, met. Helmet. Helmet. My word is helmet. Helmet is a 2-syllable word. Helmet. Great job. Now I want us to look at a few words. I'm going to put them in front of you, and I want you to try to read them. Use the strategy that we have been practicing to see if you can read them correctly and figure out the number of syllables. Let's start with this word. Think through the steps. Sound it out. Let's read it together. Cactus. Clap the syllables. Cactus. 2 syllables. Great job. Let's do another one. Look at the word. Think about the steps. Where would we break it? Sound it out. Great, I heard it. Canyon. Let's count the number of syllables in canyon. Canyon. Good job. Let's try one more. What is this word? You found the vowels. You found the consonants. I like how you broke it. Sound it out. Great, let's read it. Bonnet. How many syllables were in bonnet? Bonnet. 2. Great job. Now that we have decoded some words, let's practice encoding. I want us to spell the word cosmic. What is my word? Cosmic. Cosmic is a word that means it has something to do with space and the galaxy. Let's sound out the word cosmic using my magnet board. When I sound out a new word, I want to say it nice and slow, stretching it so I can hear every single sound. Help me say cosmic, nice and slow. Ready? Cosmic. I think we got all of the letters. Let's use our rules to figure out how many syllables are in cosmic and to check and see if we spelled it correctly. First rule, find the vowel. Next rule, find the consonants. Third rule, break between the consonants. Let's sound it out. Vowel followed by consonant, short vowel sound. Short vowel O says ah. You're right. K, os, cos. Vowel followed by a consonant, so it will make the short I sound. Ik, mick, cosmic. Oop. Turn my little I over. There we go. Cosmic. Good job. Cosmic. 2 syllables. We did it right. Let's try another one. I want you to try to help me with the word velvet. Velvet. Velvet is a luxurious, soft fabric. It's kind of heavy, definitely rich looking. What is my word? Great, velvet. Let's say it nice and slow. There we go. Velvet. I want to see how many syllables are in velvet and use my rules to make sure I spelled it correctly. First step. Good. Second step. Good. Third step. Great. Sound it out with me. V, L, vel, v, et, vet, velvet, velvet. Awesome job. How many syllables were in velvet? Velvet. 2. You're right. Let's look at some additional words. I want you to practice spelling one new word. The word is insect. What was that word? Insect. Sound it out and then break it into syllables for me. I like how you said it nice and slow. You've got it. Great. Let's check your work. Did you spell insect like I spelled insect? Did you break it between the N and the S? Good. Why didn't you break it between the C and the T? You remembered our rule. Every syllable has to have a vowel sound, and there's no vowel after the T. Super smart thinking. I-N-S-E-C-T, insect. Great job. Keep your paper and pencil out because I want you to do a sentence for me. Listen to me dictate this sentence to you. In the basket were kittens and puppies. That's a long one. In the basket were kittens and puppies. How many words were in that sentence? 7. All right, you say it with me. In the basket were kittens and puppies. Great. Go ahead and write that sentence down. Don't forget your capital. I like your nice finger spacing. Great job sounding that out. Add your punctuation. Great. Let's check your sentence. Here's my example. In the basket were kittens and puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have all the words. I used a capital letter. You see my finger spacing and my punctuation. Did you have your paper end up looking like mine? Great job. You all have done such a fabulous job today with sounding out multisyllabic words. Now I want to see if we can practice that in a text. I have a story for you. This story is called Dog the Bulldog. There are many multisyllabic closed syllable words in this story, but it's okay. You've got this. I know you can sound them out. Let's take a minute and quietly read the story to ourselves. Then we will close out by reading it together. Do your best. Remember your rules. Let's all practice reading quietly. Have you ever met a dog like Dog the Bulldog? I have 2 that are just like Dog. They will eat anything. Let's read the story together and laugh about silly Dog. Let's read. Dog the Bulldog. Read with me. I can't hear you. Let's go. Once upon a time, I had a bulldog named Dog. I called her Blue Dog because she was so gray she looked blue. She would eat anything. She loved to eat a sandwich, pumpkins in the garden, and even rocks. Blue Dog would chase the chickens in the coop and the horse in the paddock. She would even chase Dad when he drove the tractor. Then she would roll in smelly, rotten cow pies. Mom would have a tantrum when she came back to our cottage. When Blue Dog was tired, she slept on a bed covered with denim and rolled in a cotton blanket. Blue Dog looked so angelic. You would never suspect that she could cause such havoc. Oh my word, Blue Dog sounds like a nightmare. How many syllables are in nightmare? Nightmare. 2 syllables for Blue Dog. I loved hearing you read this text, and I loved hearing you apply the skills we learned today to this text. Excellent reading. Remember, when you encounter a new multisyllabic word, I want you to think about our steps. Find the vowels, find the consonants, then divide the consonants. If the vowel is followed by a consonant, try the short vowel sound first. You all did a great job. I know that you can read any multisyllabic word you encounter.
Boys and girls, I know you had a wonderful time today learning something new. All rights and credits for this lesson belongs to the West Virginia Department of Education. We would like to thank them for publicly sharing these valuable resources. Bye-bye, and see you next time.